It's gardeningtime.com. As you can see, we have beautiful evergreens surrounding our deck. This was a very difficult winter. We had Snowzilla, 30 inches of heavy snow. That has damaged many of our evergreens. As you can see, this evergreen split right at the trunk. We hope to try to save it. We're not sure at this point. Sometimes the evergreens will grow back if you prune them back really hard or have to cut back. We're hoping that's the case. We're performing surgery today on our evergreens. It's gardeningtime.com.